Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can deactivate your Tinder account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to deactivate your Tinder account or pause your Tinder account, all you need to do is simply tap on the Tinder app. So once you have tapped on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you need to do is simply tap on the gear-like icon on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you do this, you need to simply scroll down below. So simply scroll down to the end of the page where you can find an option called delete account. So simply tap on it, and there you can find an option pause my account. So simply tap on pause my account, and once you have tapped on it, your account will now be temporarily paused or deactivated. However, if you want to delete your account permanently, then you can simply select the account option called delete account right beside the pause account option. So this is how you can simply pause or deactivate your Tinder account. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.